After a court takes cognizance of an offence and the accused appears before the magistrate, the next important stage in a criminal case is called framing of charges. Framing of charges does not mean the accused has been found guilty. It does not mean punishment has been decided. Instead, it is the stage where the court formally identifies and specifies the exact offences that the accused will be tried for. At this stage, the judge carefully examines the charge sheet, witness statements, medical reports, forensic material, and other documents collected during the investigation. The court does not conduct a full trial at this point. The judge does not examine witnesses in detail or weigh evidence completely. Instead, the court looks at whether there is sufficient ground to presume that the accused may have committed the offense alleged. This standard is lower than proof beyond reasonable doubt. The court only checks whether the case deserves to proceed to trial. If the judge finds that there is enough material to proceed, the court frames the charges. This means the judge clearly states the specific legal sections and offences under which the accused will be tried. These charges are read out in open court and explained to the accused in clear language. The accused is then asked whether they plead guilty or claim trial. If the accused pleads guilty, the court may proceed toward conviction and sentencing according to law. If the accused pleads not guilty, the case moves into the trial stage, where evidence is formally presented and witnesses are examined. However, if the judge finds that there is no sufficient ground to proceed, the accused may be discharged at this stage. Framing of charges is therefore a crucial safeguard in criminal law. It ensures that no person is forced into a full trial unless the court is satisfied that there is a legal basis for prosecution. This stage defines the scope of the trial and protects both the rights of the accused and the integrity of the justice system. Understanding framing of charges helps citizens see how courts carefully filter cases before trial begins. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.